Today we're going to take a look at the Bose Soundsport Plus. This is a wireless headset from Bose. Bose is known worldwide for its amazing sound and high-end product build. This device packs a dynamic wireless sound, built-in heart rate sensor, works with many fitness apps, stable ear tips, sweat and weather resistant, enhanced Bose Connect app, microphone, and up to 5 hours per charge. And today, you're here with me, and we're gonna unbox this little guy. Let's get right to it. Okay, here we go. As we can see from the front, Bose Soundsport, couple different languages in the back there in case we're all not speaking English. Let's open this up. Alright. That came right off. We'll set that there. Put that to the side. As normal, Bose, nice box. Nothing surprising there. Little fold-out booklet. That's pretty cool. Look, here, they got them all situated. They got it here, they got it there. They have this beautiful scene of this person who's clearly happy while she's running. I mean, who's not happy when they're running? Right, so let's get right to it. All right. So here they go, right here, our Soundsports little case. This looks like we're still rocking the micro USB for charging. Nothing wrong with it. We got to do something with these cables. They're dinosaurs from the past, so I'm glad Bose has given us something to do with them. Here we've got a bunch of different tips. A bunch of tips because not all ears are built the same. This is a cool little carrying case. Look at this. I don't know if anyone's actually going to use this guy. A lot of styrofoam there, so there you go. Plastic things. Instruction manuals. Warranty. Alright, that's it. Let's go ahead and see if we have a quick start guide, because you know I love quick start guides. So, I love quick start guides. Alright. So, download the Bose Connect app. You see that? We're going to go ahead, download the app. All the other devices and phones are in use at the moment, so we're going to default to the old school Note 8. Isn't that a treat? We're going to go back to the Note 8 for this. Alright, let's come over here, unlock, fingerprint in the weird place. Alright, here it is, really easy peasy, Bose Connect. Installing, ain't no muss, no fuss, moving right along, super quick to download, you guys see that. Alright, we got it, we're going to open it, boom. Opening Bose Connect. Let's get these little tabs off of here. Little clip. Like the little clip there. Helps keep the stuff where you put it. Alright, we're going to agree. Boom. We agree, Bose. Signing our life away. Allow. We're allowing to connect. English. Alright, so that's the next step. Nickname it. Surprise me! What are we going to name this guy? Blinky? Skip a beat? No. Cherry? No. Sunset? No. Charisma? Raindrops? Roast? Oh, it gives you ideas of things to nickname your Bose. I'm going to name mine Scarlet because they're red. We're going to nickname it. Okay. All right. So secure the earbuds, then twist back under. Just twist back. What? Twist back. I never knew I had the twist back. All the Bose headphones I've owned, now it's telling me I have to twist back. Got it. It's taking my heart rate inside my ear right now. This is why I bought this, because I'm like, I've got this super expensive Louis Vuitton Android watch, but it doesn't take my heart rate. So when I work out, I don't know what my heart rate is. This knows my heart rate through my ears. Who came up with this? Bose came up with this. Holy smokes, it knows. As I'm yelling at you, my heart rate's going up. See that? It's going up to 90 as I'm 90. I gotta calm down. Namaste. Still going up. You guys got my blood pressure up. Current heart rate. Alright, let's we're downloading it. I'm updating my product. Okay, so we come over here. We're gonna go to our Spotify. We're going to crank it up, go to my pop mix. You can't listen because there's copyright strikes. But let's see how this thing sounds. What are we working with here? Ooh. We're going to test my heart rate. Unfortunately, that's all I can do with unboxing headphones, because you're not supposed to hear what I'm listening to, unless it's, for everybody, public domain. But this is what we got going on, guys. This is an unboxing. You got this cool little case. We're gonna do something with it. We got these earbuds that got built-in heart rate sensors. Substitutes the fact that my super expensive $2,700 Android watch doesn't have a heart rate sensor, but these do. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description of where you can buy these, either from the Bose website or directly from Amazon, like I did. I like Amazon because I use my American Express points to buy stuff all the time. So there it is. It's what it does. It takes your heart rate. Bose Soundsport Plus. The sound is decent, not amazing. Throwing that out there, these are made for the gym. They're made to get wet. They're not your typical over the ears, soundproof, block out everything type of headphones. They're made to get wet. They're made to get rain. They're made to get sweat on. For the gym, the heart rate sensor substitutes the fact that my super uber duper expensive watch doesn't have one, so it's perfect for me. It's a solution for me. For the love of tech, needs technology that he can use, not just stuff to play with. Now, with that being said, there's a giveaway coming up. The giveaway is Roman numerals 827. Give me a dash Roman numerals 827. And then leave me a comment. What do you think about the Bose Connects? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Now, we're always about paying it forward here for the love of tech. And you guys know that. That is why I like to share things with you guys. I'm blessed. You're blessed. Spread the word. Tell people about the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs up even if you don't like it, because we're putting good karma into the world. We're putting good stuff out there for everybody. We want to go ahead and go in our drawers, go in our cupboards, go under the couch, behind the bed, find any electronic you're no longer using, shine it up, clean it up, sanitize it, and give it to someone who doesn't have it. Give it to someone for one reason and one reason only: to put a smile on their face. For the love of tech, namaste.